skincare products are like buying a plot of land right now. So, and if I am buying any skincare products, I need to make sure that these skincare products either work for brightening, or either work for clearing my dark spots, or either work for reducing or unclogging my pores, because I can't be investing in skincare products that are not working for me. If you have an acne prone skin, this is the more reason that you need to watch this particular video. And if you don't, or you know someone that does, more reason you should forward this particular video. I'll also be sharing generally, these are the products that I have been using for brightening, for lightening, for clearing dark spots, and the rest of them. Have them already stacked here. Okay, first one on our list is this particular Benozil Shebi. Anyway, I'll be putting the picture. Benozil Acne Foaming Wash, 10% maximum strength. So this is it. Now, this is the first facial wash that I got when I had like very severe acne on my face. I also tell people that if you want to go into this Benozil acne foaming wash, make sure you start with the one of 5% so that it doesn't dry up your face more. And anytime you're making use of these, they also wrote it here that you should apply your face. It works for your face, your chest, and your back. Maybe you have acne spots on your back or your neck or around your chest. Just apply this and leave it for like 5 minutes before you can wash it off. Benozil acne foaming wash, it goes a long way. Just a little you pour in your hand goes a long way. I use this for like 1 year. 1 year plus. I use this particular one because I only use it at night. I don't use it like every week. I only use it at night. I might use it like 2 or 3 times every week. Hence, this product actually lasted for me for like a year plus. So this is number one. I won't be buying this particular product again because I no longer have like very severe acne that I am treating. But if you want to treat your acne, this particular Benozil acne foaming wash is definitely a must buy, but I won't be buying it again for this 2025 wash. Another facial wash that we'll be talking about is this particular simple moisturizing facial wash. So this is it. This simple moisturizing facial wash is for all skin types. It doesn't have any perfume, no chemical, and no color or harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. It is good for all skin types. That is one thing that I used and I still use it right now. The facial wash that I am using right now contains glycolic acid. So on the days whereby I am not using my recent facial wash, I will definitely be bringing that for you. I will be using the simple moisturizing face wash. This is very nice. It is kind to the skin for all skin type. Even if you don't have acne or have acne, it works for all skin type. Hence, I am still buying this in 2025. So this is it. Another product that I'll be talking about is this particular Glow Deep Serum Rice Plus Alpha Arbutin. So this is a Beauty of Joacim product. Okay, this particular small products that you're seeing here, I'll definitely be putting a picture on the screen. And this is a serum and it is a brightening serum. I used it last year and I won't be buying it because I no longer use serum in my skincare right now. Reason being that I am still treating my acne, so I need the acne on my face to reduce before I can start using anything serum or whatever. But if you're leaning towards alpha arbutin products, then this particular Glow Deep Serum Rice Plus Alpha Arbutin is definitely for you. So if you know Beauty of Joacim products, their sunscreen, I use their sunscreen. I think I got it for like 2 times. It does the work. Sunscreen only works when you reapply, because it's not just about applying only in the morning, and if you go out in the sun you don't reapply, the sun is going to burn your skin, because the skincare products that you're using, you need sunscreen for it to do like the whole coverage for you. Hence, I won't be buying this, okay, because I no longer use serum in my routine right now. Now another product that we'll be talking about is this particular Clean Cap, Clean Cap 30 mg. This is the clindamycin gel. I don't know if you can see it. I'll be putting a picture on the screen. Now, this is one of the products that helps me with my acne. If you know azelaic acid, okay, I don't know, I don't have it here. If you know azelaic acid, what azelaic acid does is what this particular product is also going to do. This is going to help before you go in with your moisturizer. I usually apply this. It is going to help dry up the surface. Being that I have an oily skin, this product is going to dry up or soak up oil on my face before I go in with my moisturizer. So this clean cap, this clindamycin gel is another product that I used last year, though I won't be buying it right now because my acne has reduced a little. So the last one that I am using right now, I am being told to only use like once a week or twice a week so that I will start withdrawing from it gradually. So that is it. If you want to help dry up oily skin on your face before you go in with your moisturizer, then this particular product is definitely for you. Another skincare empty that I bought in 2024 and I'm definitely buying more in this 2025 is your Retinoid. So this is the brand of Retinoid that I use. I have used this. This is the first tube. I have currently the second tube right now. And so far, so good. This Retinoid is going to purge your skin. It is going to purge your face. Oh, this is the Retinoid gel and it is the 0.05%. Please do not go higher than this. If you're just introducing Retinoid to your skincare routine, go easy with the Retinoid. And if you see the purging I mean is that it is going to bring out more of the pimples on your face. In that way, as it's bringing it out, other of the skincare products that you're using is going to do the work of drying out the pimple and evening out your skin tone. So Retinoid is another thing that I have in my skincare empties and I am currently using it in this 2025. Another skincare empty that I have that worked for me, though I won't be using it again, or maybe they might still recommend it for me, is this particular Tian Vita B3 sauce. This is one serum that contains niacinamide that I have used in my routine. Even if you have acne prone skin or you don't have acne prone oily skin, this Vita B3 sauce Tian product contains niacinamide that will help in brightening your face and clearing out the dark spots that you have on your face. This I've used like plenty bottles in this. I still have like either one currently that I have opened, but I paused for a while because I was told to stop using any other skincare products apart from the one that my skincare dermatologist recommended for me. But this actually does the work and it is still going to do the work. If I am done clearing my acne, I might still go back to this. Fingers crossed. But if you're looking for something that contains niacinamide, then this Vita B3 sauce serum is definitely for you. It is not going to clog your pores. It is going to do the work for which you want it to do. Another skincare product that I used in 2021 and I am not going to buy again is this particular Superficialist moisturizer. I used this last year. Not that it is not a good product. It is definitely a good product when I used it. It is not too heavy on the face. It is not going to accumulate more oil on your face. Just that every time I apply this particular moisturizer, it kind of like stings me. Like when you apply a sunscreen and your sunscreen kind of like enters your eyes when you're sweating, that kind of sting. That is what I felt with this particular moisturizer. But because I have opened it, I just had to finish it, but I won't be buying it again. But if you're leaning towards a daily moisturizer that is not heavy on the face or will clog your pores, then you can try this particular product and see if it works for you. But this is what it did to me. So this is it. I won't be buying it again. Another moisturizer that if you have an acne prone skin and you're leaning towards a moisturizer that won't be too heavy on your face, then this La Roche-Posay moisturizer is definitely it. This is it. Now, disclaimer about this particular product. If you buy this particular product, if you apply the moisturizer, it is going to leave white cast on your face, but it tends to even out after some time so that you don't buy it and apply it and it's giving you that white cast. You say, hey, not a good product. It is a very good product, but it tends to leave a white cast. This is one product that if you have an oily skin and if you have acne all over your face and you are looking for a moisturizer that is very calm, this particular, like they wrote here, this is an ultra repairing smoothing balm. That is what I felt every time I make use of this. Apart from the white cast, this is a very good moisturizer. The La Roche-Posay moisturizer and also the sunscreen, they do the work, okay? So if you're looking for something that is calm, that won't really sting your face or harsh on your face, a moisturizer, then this La Roche-Posay moisturizer is definitely one to try. If not for the white casts, I will recommend this, okay? Another skincare empty that I have that I got in 2024 that was a game changer for me and I'm currently using it right now is this Clear Proof, okay? This Clear Proof is a gel that is very good in treating your acne. It is an acne treatment gel, an acne medication, and it also contains 5% benzoyl peroxide. Okay, that's why I said if you're using your benzoyl peroxide, please lean towards the 5% and not the 10%, please, so that it is not too harsh on your face. Because using so much chemical on your face is going to spoil your skin balance, skin barrier. That's how they put it. So this is what I am currently using for my acne. I am still using it. I've finished this. This is one tube that I finished and I still have another one that I am currently using. Another product that they recommended for me that I am currently using is this particular Rejuva skincare formula. Okay, so this is it. This is a Rejuva product. One thing I love about Rejuva skincare is that their products are not cheap, but it will definitely do the work. This is how it looks like inside. When I got it and they told me the amount, I said, what is inside safe that I cannot afford? This thing, it did not reach here. This small cup for which you are seeing here, it is small but mighty. Even if it's very small like this, hey, my brother, my sister, it is going to do the work for you and you can use this for like 3 to 4 months. This is the first bottle that I have finished and I am currently in the second bottle. I got this, I think people might be expecting that I'll be leaving the prices of all this skincare. Right now, I don't really know the current prices of some of these products. Okay. Now, the last but not the least is my moisturizer. This is my holy grail. Shebi, that's how you people say it. This is my holy grail and it is the oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion. This is from Acess, and you know what Acess products does. This is the holy grail. Like when my skincare dermatologist recommended this particular product, I told her that I've used Acess products and they didn't really do like so much. What are you assuring me about this particular product? She said, come buy this particular product. I promise you, you're going to come back for more. This is my bottle and I still have like 2 more bottles that I have got because I usually buy like 2 skincare products. Right now, they're selling this for 19,500 naira. But this, I have been using it since last year October, and right now, I am still using it. So it's just remaining a little, as you can see, and I have bought a new one that I am currently using right now. So if you're leaning towards moisturizers that are oil free, that won't clog your pores, then this particular moisturizer is going to do it for you. And it is also going to give you that glow. Now, this costs 19,500. The clean cap, some of the pharmacy is retailing it for 1,000, 1,160 or so. And then our Retinoid, some of the pharmacy is also retailing it. At most, I think this costs, I can't remember, but I'll look for the price and put it on the screen. And then for our Tian Vita B3 sauce, the last time I got it for 12,000 naira. I don't know how much it is right now. This particular moisturizer, which is the Super Facialist, I got it the last time for 9,800 naira. That is how much I got this. I don't know how much they're selling it right now. And then the La Roche-Posay smoothing balm. The last time I got it for 15,000 naira. I don't know how much they're selling it. I'll be putting it on the screen. And then this clear proof, they're selling it right now for 15,000 naira. This actually goes a long way because you just apply just a little on your face. Okay, this is going to last you for like 3 or 4 months. This particular small tube that you're seeing here, and then simple facial wash. The last time I got it for like either 12,000 naira. I'll be putting the correct price on the screen. And then the Benozin Peroxide, it's been a long time that I got it. I'll be also be putting the price on the screen. So these are some of the skincare empties that I have used so far, the ones that I'll be buying and the ones that I won't be buying. Disclaimer, this particular product is to show you guys the products that I have used so far that worked for me and I'm currently still using, and the ones that I won't be buying, the ones that helped in brightening my face, in lightening my face, and giving me even skin tone, and also for glowing skin. These are some of the products that I have used. I think I have used a lot so far, for which I have trashed, but I have been starting this up saying that I am going to do a video when I have like a lot of skincare products to show you that I have used, that worked, and those that did not work. Disclaimer, some of these products you might use them, they work for you. Some you might use them and it might not work for you. That doesn't mean that the product does not work, but because my skin and your skin are not the same, so you need to strive for what works for your skin, the one that won't give you like after effect because you are using. And also remember that you need to know how to layer your skincare products. Layering is key. Some people might say, okay, that you apply serum before moisturizer, while some people also say, okay, that you apply moisturizer before serum. You need to know how to layer your skin. People might say moisturizer before serum, but however it is, before you use any skincare products or buy any skincare products, do a skin patch and also meet up with your dermatologist or your skincare esthetician to know the products that work for your skin type. Some people have oily skin, some people have dry skin, and some people have acne prone skin, and some people, they are not even doing anything and their skin is still glowing. My skin and your skin are not the same. Okay, the products I'm using right now are what is currently working for my skin. You might use baby oil or nchankota and it will work for you. That doesn't mean that if I use it, it will work for me. So what works for your skin, I beg, stick to it. Me, I used organics for 3 good years just because it was working and giving me the hourglass shape, the hour glowing skin that I want. But immediately I introduced something else into it, ketepa started coming out on my face. Whatever product that works for you, stick to it. Oh, come to the end of this particular video. Let me know in the comment section the skincare products that I shared that you're currently using right now, or the one that you have tried out, or the one that you're currently using that is working for you. Let us know in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. If you want more skincare haul or more skincare products review, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely bring it on. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Skincare products are like buying a plot of roller. You people know money for skincare right now is like a plot of man. We have come to this particular video. We have now all the can die this way. Now I can't lose me to anyone else.